In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Teams to Outlook Calendar 2005, step by step. By the end, you'll have Microsoft Teams connected through Outlook on the web, so scheduling and joining Teams meetings from your Outlook calendar feels seamless. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Microsoft Outlook result to open the web version. Using a modern browser like Edge, Chrome, or Safari will give you the smoothest experience. If you already have a bookmark for Outlook, you can use that too. Just make sure it's the official Microsoft site. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. For the best results, use the same account you use for Teams, whether that's a work, school, or personal Microsoft account. After you enter your credentials and complete any security verification, confirm you're in the right mailbox by checking your profile icon at the top corner. Keeping Outlook and Teams under the same account is what enables the calendar integration to work automatically. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, look along the top bar for the Microsoft Teams icon. In most layouts, you'll see it directly in the header or inside the app launcher, the grid or waffle icon in the corner that opens the list of Microsoft 365 apps. Click the Teams icon. If you don't see it, try expanding the app list or switching to the web's full view. In organizational accounts, availability can depend on your admin settings. After you select Teams, you'll be taken straight to Microsoft Teams on the web, and you should be signed in automatically with the same account. This connection is what ties your Outlook calendar and Teams together. Your Teams calendar mirrors your Outlook calendar, and when Teams is available in your tenant, Outlook can add Teams meeting details to events you create. That means when you schedule a meeting from Outlook, the Teams link can be included so invitees can join with a single click. A few quick tips to keep everything running smoothly. Make sure you're signed in with the same account across both apps. Refresh the page if the Teams icon doesn't appear right away. And if you're on a work or school account, remember that your organization's policies can affect which apps show up in Outlook. If something looks off, signing out and back in or trying a different browser can clear cached sessions. And that's it. You searched for Outlook, signed in, clicked the Teams icon at the top, and you were directed to Teams, linking the experience so your Outlook calendar and Teams work hand in hand.